advice is, why am I looking at the camera? Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Salmah Almansoori. I'm a visual artist based in Abu Dhabi. I applied for the internship program and specifically the administration and project management position because I was really interested in learning more about how foundations and institutions in arts works in Abu Dhabi. And I was interested to learn more about the behind of the scenes, specifically for someone who's interested in this institution as an artist. I was so serious.
Yes.
Okay. Alongside all of these management and administration work, I really liked the idea to be part of the educational programs at 41. The two projects I worked on, which is to develop and produce the tactile stations for visually impaired people. And the second thing was to be able as an artist to also teach younger people how to be an artist outside of school and how to look at art from a different perspective. My advice for people who want to join this program is giving this program their whole, because there are so many parts that you can learn about yourself through working in an institution like 41, and be willing to be part of many different things. I really like that about 41, how they were really open for me to be part of different programs. Even though it's out of your position, you can always ask and they'll be happy to take you and develop you through these different programs. As Salmah now, as the full-time artist she is, I think she learned a lot from working at 41. I really learned about how an institution like 41 or an institution in the arts, how they approach artists and how do they deal with different things and projects, and even learning about different artists and connection did bring me a lot of things